Hi guys, how you all doing? This is a girl Sue back with another video. I'm at the allotment, guys. I tried to put up the tripod, but the wind is so heavy, and I put it up twice and it blew it over, so I just chuck it. So yes guys, I bring a weed whacker. That's it. I only have one battery for it, and the battery died. Yeah, the battery died, guys, so I'm stuck. I'm using this clipper to clip the grass. Yeah, so this is what I've done so far. I start from right here with the weed whacker just to get the top off, and a wee bit down to the root where I can like fork it up. There it is. But as I said, when I reach right up there, it die. So yes, I kind of get a good amount done. Yes, so I'm just gonna rake up what I've done, and then I start again. So yes, I'm up to right here. I'm up to right here, guys, as you guys can see. Yeah, as you guys there. So I'm using, as I said, the clipper to clip them away. So yes, this is the reason why I haven't put up the no. All right, I'll be there in a sec. Sorry about that. The lady next door was waving at me. So yes guys, as I said, the gentleman told me that these are some fruit tree, so I wanted to leave them and see what happened in the summer. So yes, I'm not gonna trouble them. I'm gonna leave them. There's loads of them. So yes, I'm gonna leave them and see. It's a rather dull day. Anyway guys, I'll show you all the finishing touch when I finish. Take care. Peace out.